If you're tired of dealing with uncomfortable bathroom situations while camping, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Lucky Nov Portable Toilet. The Lucky Nov Portable Toilet, priced at $33.19, what caught my eye was its heavy-duty ABS build and ergonomic design, making it a solid choice for comfort and durability. If you want a reliable portable toilet that brings home-level comfort to your outdoor adventures, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This toilet supports up to 450 pounds, so it can accommodate nearly anyone without worry. The contoured seat and longer opening ensure comfort, which is crucial when nature calls. Plus, it folds down to just 13 inches by 15.35 inches by 2.67 inches and weighs only 4.5 pounds, making it super easy to carry on hikes or road trips. It's odor-proof and stain-resistant, which means cleanup is a breeze. With over 1,000 units sold just last month, it's clear that many campers trust this option. Now, some people complained about the size when it's unfolded, saying it takes up a bit of space. Here's the thing though, if you're camping with a group or have room in an RV, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's all about balance between comfort and portability. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight, reliable toilet for camping trips or RV adventures. Skip this one if you need something ultra compact for solo backpacking, as its unfolded size might be a concern. For the price, you're getting great value. Now, if the Lucky Nov's size bothered you, this next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Ski Portable Toilet. The Ski Portable Toilet, priced at $33.99, the rugged ABS construction caught my eye, and it's another contender for anyone wanting comfort in the wild. If you want a compact and sturdy option for outdoor adventures, this is a solid choice. This toilet also supports up to 450 pounds and features a similar ergonomic design, providing a comfortable seat for all body types. It folds down to just 14.1 inches by 12.6 inches by 2.7 inches and weighs a mere 4.5 pounds. That means it's very easy to throw in your trunk or backpack for camping, hiking, or long road trips. The included waste bags and biogel make cleanup and disposal straightforward, which is super important when you're out in nature. It's received over 1,000 purchases last month, showing it's a popular pick. However, some users mentioned that the assembly can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the convenience outweighs the initial struggle. For those who prioritize comfort and usability, it's still a winner. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable toilet that won't weigh you down on your next adventure. Skip this if you're looking for something that's ready to go right out of the box, as it may require a bit of time to set up. For the price point, you definitely get the comfort and convenience. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want extra comfort. Product number 3. Ann Katie Upgrade XL Portable Toilet. Coming in at $37.99 is the Ann Katie Upgrade XL Portable Toilet. What makes this one stand out is its ergonomic height designed for a more natural sitting position. If you want a camping toilet that mimics your home setup, this is worth considering. At 15.7 inches tall, this toilet allows for a more comfortable experience, supporting a full column empty, which is essential for your comfort. It folds down to a compact size of only 3.15 by 15 by 11.8 inches, making it easy to stash in your car or backpack. The addition of 2 handles makes it easy to carry, and it even doubles as a storage box or small table when not in use. This multifunctionality is great for making the most out of your camping gear. It's also received over 1,000 purchases in the past month, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Some users have commented on the sturdiness of the folding mechanism, saying it can feel a bit flimsy. I'll be real with you, if you're using it regularly, gentle handling will keep it in great shape, so don't let this minor flaw deter you. This is perfect for you if you're camping with family and want extra comfort and versatility. Skip this if you're looking for the lightest option available, since its added features might not suit ultra-minimalists. For what you get, the price is quite reasonable. Now, if you want something even more compact and easy to use, the next product is worth checking out. Product number 4, 72HRS Premium Portable Toilet Seat. The 72HRS Premium Portable Toilet Seat, priced at just $15.89. What's great about this one is its snap-on design for 5-gallon buckets. If you want a budget-friendly solution that's easy to set up, this is a smart choice. This toilet seat fits snugly onto any standard 5-gallon bucket, turning it into a makeshift toilet wherever you go. It's lightweight at only 0.7 pounds, which means it's super easy to carry on hikes or during emergencies. The sturdy polypropylene material makes it durable, and its flexibility helps prevent cracks. It's a practical solution for camping, boating, or road trips, and with over 1,000 sales last month, people are definitely finding it helpful. However, some users pointed out that it lacks a lid, which can be a drawback for some. Here's the thing though, it's perfect for emergencies, so if you're looking for an emergency solution rather than a long-term toilet option, it's still very effective. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and need a quick toilet solution for road trips or camping. Skip this if you want a full toilet setup, as this is more of an accessory than a standalone solution. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you want a more traditional portable toilet experience, the next product is a fantastic option. Product number 5, Hapoon XL Portable Folding Toilet. We have the Hapoon XL Portable Folding Toilet, priced at $29.99. This one caught my eye for its larger size and sturdy design. If you want comfort during your outdoor bathroom breaks, this is definitely worth a look. The Hapoon toilet is made of premium ABS plastic, supporting up to 400 pounds and providing a comfortable seat for both adults and kids. It's easy to set up and fold down quickly, which is ideal when you're on the go. Plus, its multifunctional design means it can also be used as a trash can or stool when you're not using it as a toilet. This product has also been popular, with over 900 units sold last month. Some reviews mentioned that it can feel a bit bulky when carrying. Here's my take. If you prioritize comfort and sturdiness over ultra portability, the slight trade-off is worth it. It's designed for more than just a single use, which makes it a versatile addition to your gear. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and comfortable portable toilet for family camping trips. Skip this if you're looking for something super lightweight, as it may not be the best choice for solo backpackers. For the price, this is an excellent value for what you get. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Ann Katie Upgrade XL because it combines comfort and practicality perfectly. The one to avoid is the 72HRS if you're looking for a full toilet experience, as it's more of a temporary solution. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.